everybody, good night. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm just going to get right into this. Tonight I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm review. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. I know my channel is a dying channel, but still trying here. I'm going to be doing updates with this beauty room soon. So beauty room is a complete mess. I'm gonna redo the entire beauty room soon. I know this is a late video getting out, but I've been so busy with things going on in my life, and I'm just gonna do the video now. I'm gonna go over BoxyCharm. What is BoxyCharm? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service where you can get 5 full-size items for the price of $27 or $28.99. You can also get the Glam bag, which is like $13 a month. I have a paid subscription and I get the PR, so I'll show you guys both. And this month they also sent us a refreshers item, which is really cool. It's like their shaver kind of set. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so this was a really great Glam bag. Here's the cute Glam bag. It's really fun. I think this reminds me of one of the bags they gave us last year. It's a cute little drawstring bag opposed to like the zipper, but this is it here. And the items I got in here are, they gave us a full-size ELF Power Grip Primer with niacinamide. I like this primer. I use this when I do makeup for clients, because it's a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I like this because I also mix it with the Smashbox primer too, so it's just like I get the double 2-in-1 kind of primer for your face. They also gave me a little Lottie 4-quad eyeshadow palette. I put it in my kit already. There's pictures on my Instagram of that. I also got this little cute lemon brush. It is I believe it's a concealer brush, I think, or you can use it for a concealer or even eyeshadow, or you could even use it for highlighter. So it's like it could be a multi-purpose brush. I like the cute little lemons on it. They also gave us a Shades by Shan. This is a liquid eyeliner. I didn't open it yet. It's a liquid eyeliner. And then I got Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Here it is here. So thank you BoxyCharm and IPSY for gifting me this. I will go over my paid Glam bag with you guys. So that was the PR. This is the paid Glam bag. They give you a card with everything in it. Let's just take everything out. So in this kit, in this Glam bag, I got Lovecraft Beauty. It's an eyeshadow trio in Forest Beat. I like the colors in it. Really, really pretty for fall. Or just if you want like a green kind of look. Really nice. The next item, I did get another one of the lip tints from Trifle Cosmetics, excuse me. So this is not a full-size Almus. I thought it was the full-size Almus Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. It's the deluxe size, but this is great for travel. So it's better. There's no better way feeling of washing your face off. You're getting a cleansing balm to do that. And Almus is, oh, it smells really good. It smells very, very clean. Oh, it smells really, really good. Oh, I love the smell of it. It smells like it has tea tree oil, lemon, maybe a little bit of hint of ginger. That smells really good. We also got a Mud Sky Vitamin A French Clay Mask. I have gotten one of these before. These masks are great. You could just either put it on with your fingers or like a little brush if you have like any extra like brush you can to brush it on your face. It just, like when you put it on with the brush, it feels differently than when you do it with your fingers. So you can go to the Dollar Tree and they have like those little cosmetic, they're like facial brushes, so you can probably put this on with that. And the last item I got was Mo Beauty Divinely Defined Precision Brow Pencil in Dark Brown. I like to keep these, especially, and I put them in my kit because I always use brow pencils on everybody. So that was everything in my paid box, my paid bag. I keep saying box. And let's go over the refresher item we got. So this was like a gift, like it was like included. So it's refreshments, dazzling 5 kit razor blade. And this is another monthly subscription if you want. It's like an add-on service, and you can get their razors, and they have different tiers if you want to buy whatever tier you want. And they also gave me they have a card on how to, you know, stock your bathroom, subscribe and save, schedule it 1 to 3 months, and you can skip your service if you want. Link in bio if you guys want to sign up for this. And they also gave me a pillowy shave cream. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. So thank you BoxyCharm, IPSY, and Refreshments for gifting me that. Let's get right into the Glam box. So here's the box. I'm just gonna take out everything. We can just go over it. So the thing is, like with the cards, I used to love getting the cards where everything was listed on it. I'm not getting that anymore. Okay, so the first item is by Malin Goetzes, and the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Face moisturizer is great for everybody. Everybody needs to moisturize their face, especially during these hotter months. Like, it's very important that you do moisturize your face because you don't want your face to dry out. As an esthetician, I put all kinds of serums, moisturizer, and SPF on my face. Those are the 3 things I make sure and put on my face every day. So the next item is by Earth Harbor. It's the Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I love the packaging of Earth Harbor's items. They're always like really nice. So this is an ampoule. Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule is named for treasures of the ocean blue. That's just like the color of it. Has spirulina, blue tansy. Okay, so this is more for hyperpigmentation. That's great. Apply 2 or more drops to the skin after cleansing. So yeah, after you have cleansed your face, say this is like a really quick routine. You can cleanse your face with your favorite cleanser. You can use the Elmis cleanser that you got in this kit. Then you can use your favorite serum. You can use this ampoule, put it on your face, let it dry. And then you want to moisturize in the evening. So you can use this moisturizer that you got in the evening. And then go to bed. You're good to go. So the next item I got is by Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. These are good to just keep your brows in place. I'm not going to open it, but here it is. Oh, it's a really tiny brush. So you can just make sure your brows are on point. That was really nice. The next item is one of my favorite brands, is by the Beauty Crop Lip Creme Kit. This color is gorgeous. It is in the color, here it is here. I'll have to look. I have it online. But it's a really pretty, like, dusty rose kind of color. I like these kind of colors. Thank you, IPSY and BoxyCharm, for gifting me that. And last but not least is this beautiful Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is very gorgeous. I'm really excited about this. I haven't done a look with it yet, but I will soon. Look at these colors. These colors are so pretty, and they're going to go great with my skin tone color. Anyway, skin tone color, because these neutral palettes are good for anyone, as long as you know what colors you want to use and how they look against your skin. And I like some of them are set up where, like, there's a quad of colors here, so it's kind of like set up where you can use a quad like that. Because people look at these palettes and they get intimidated. But, like, if you think of it like your transition, you can use that of your upper lid and you can blend out with those two there. Same thing with here. You can use this as your transition, or maybe this one as your transition color. Put that on your upper lid, smoke out with this, and then you can pop that in the middle. So I don't know, it just depends like how you see a palette. That's just like, I think that makes sense. But I mean, I don't know. I could also just pick out colors that I think will look good on my skin. But thank you again, IPSY and BoxyCharm, for gifting me these items. I'm so excited for this month. Thank you again. I hope all you birdies are doing well. And I know this is a quick video. I will give you more updates and stuff, what's going on in my life. Just really busy with my spa, with working a lot. Every day is a different day, different emotion, different feeling. But I'm just getting through the best I can, and I hope you all are doing well, and I will see you guys soon. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Alright everybody, good night, bye. bye.